Welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, I will be demonstrating 5 easy lock styles that you can do and even try for the holidays. I'll be starting off with fresh retwist hair, and the products that I'll be using is the NappStar Super Hold Retwist Gel, my edge control brush, I have my large rubber bands, and also some bobby pins. I have these scissors because I have the gold string just in case I use it. And a disclaimer, I totally cannot find my hair jewelry. And I don't understand because I always go to the beauty supply store and pick some up when I'm there and I can't find not one pack, honestly. Anyways, we're going to get right into this video, so keep watching. As previously mentioned, I did just do a retwist a couple hours before filming this video, so you'll notice that my locks are still a little twisted up towards the roots, and it was kind of difficult to straighten them out for this first style. But the first style is when you part your hair to the side, then you take a section from the front of your hair and you twist it towards the back. And now I'm just going to get one bobby pin to pin my hair down in the back so that it can stay put. You can use as many bobby pins as you need, but I don't think more than 2 is necessary. For the second style, I'm beginning to straighten out my locks a little bit more as I notice that they're still a little twisted towards the roots. And I'm preparing to do 2 high buns with 2 bangs in the front. So I like to use 2 large rubber bands whenever I'm doing a ponytail or bun, and I wrap them around twice so that they don't break easily. Doesn't have to be too perfect because that's kind of the point for this look, but you notice I just twisted my locks around once, and now I'm just going to get one rubber band and secure it down at the base so that it doesn't look too messy, and I'm going to repeat the same steps with the second one. When I'm checking myself out, I'm kind of feeling this look, and I'm like, why don't I do this style more often? This looks super cute on me. So now I'm going to add a gold string towards the base, just to dress it up a little bit. You don't have to do this is optional, but I just figured I would try it out just to show you how cute it can look if you do add it. did it on accident. And when I did it, I was like, wait, this is super cute. Octavia, I'm gonna see if I can find the picture and I'll insert it. But it was super cute how it turned out. And I was feeling myself that day. So I took a whole bunch of pictures on Snap. And you know how it be, ladies. You find that filter that you like and you just start snapping away. That's what I ended up doing. But I don't think I actually did that style. Well, I don't think I've actually done that style since that day. So it was kind of cool to see me recreate this look again. And I was feeling myself yet again. Yay, we're making progress. So now we're moving on to the fourth style. And this style is going to be a simple half up, half down with two bangs in the front. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, I like this style, especially when you have a fresh retwist. Your locks just be hanging, girl. You look really good. But yeah, this is a very convenient style. To me, this is probably one of the easiest ones you can do. I actually wear half up, half down styles all of the time. So this is one of my go-tos. Y'all, I'm getting jiggy over here because we made it to the last style. So I'm doing the same half up, half down style. I just took away the two bangs in the front, but you can leave yours if you feel that you want to. But I'm twisting the ponytail around into a donut bun, and I'm going to use a rubber band to secure the ends, and then eventually tuck in the shorter lock pieces that are sticking outside of the bun so that it can look nice and neat. After some thought, I'm like, nah, we're just not going to do that. This is just going to be a nice bun, tucked away without the gold string. If I had some hair jewelry, I'd probably put some gold little clamps throughout the bun just to like jazz it up a bit, especially for the holidays. But I like it like this. What do you think?